There are so many reasons why people are not seeing success when creating videos on YouTube. And I just want to share a little bit. I just want to share a little bit with you. Let me sit down. Sit down right here. Sit down right here. So the first thing why I notice is that a lot of people not seeing success. I've been posting and telling you what to do, how to do it, everything, giving you all the details. And some people may not be seeing success, seeing the numbers they want to see. And let me give you a reason why. Because yes, YouTube is on easy mode and you need to put in the work. But I'm just going to share with you why so far, because I have been checking out a lot of you guys' channel. Yes, every comment I go and I try my best to visit your page, your channel, to see what it is you're posting and to support it in any way I can, watching the video, commenting on the video, you name it. So I have been doing that. And one thing I've noticed, not me saying no on the steps right here. Hey! Yeah. So one thing I've noticed is that you guys are giving up too soon. You are giving up too soon. I go on your pages and I see probably just one video talking about YouTube, and then you start making different types of videos. I need you to dedicate the rest of January to create videos talking about YouTube. And let's see if one would blow up, as in probably get more than 100 views or more than 200 or 500 views. If you continue to post, there is almost a guarantee that one of your videos, at least one, will blow up and you will get more followers and more views and more watch hours. So that is my number one thing, is to create multiple videos talking about YouTube. I have seen so many pages and I just saw one video. And I'm like, okay, talk about it one time, maybe two videos. Okay, stop. Guys, if you are serious about this, I need you to do the whole of January, dedicate the whole of January to at least creating one video a day talking about YouTube. Yes, you could repeat the same thing. There's different people going to be watching your video. YouTube is going to be pushing out your video to different people. And I kid you not, when I watch on my analytics, it says most of my viewers, 80% of my viewers, not subscribe to my channel. And I'm like, if you're watching and you are one of the 80%, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? 80%. And so it's different people watching your content and seeing your content every single time. A lot of the time you might get a returning viewer, but you can create the same content, tweak it up a little bit, change it up a little bit, share different tips and tricks, share different experience. But I need you to create it over and over again to see success. Repetition is the key. Don't try to reinvent the wheel when there is already a blueprint laid out for you, okay? Guys, look at outside. It's literally pitch black. I just finished class. You seen anyone around? No, not really. I just finished class and I'm heading to get something to eat, and then I'm heading home. I know when I reach home, my kiddos I'm gonna be involved in my kiddos' bath time, story time, put them down to bedtime, and then homework time. So I do not have enough time to even say, okay, let me try to take out my phone and record a video. So guess what I'm doing? I am doing it right now before I go home. 10 minutes wouldn't take that long to record content, all right? So for those of you coming in, hear me coming in, you swear, okay, oh, we're getting some nice light in here, all right? So let me see if I can set. I am telling you, do not just create one video about YouTube. You need to create multiple videos and try to do it every day. Try to post something every day. And a little tip for those of you who decide, hey, I don't want to post anything pertaining to YouTube. I just want to post content that I already posting right now. Let me tell you something. If you decide to post whatever content you want to post, make sure your lighting is good. Make sure you position the camera a certain way that it will be appealing to your viewers. I've seen a couple videos where I watch people, either they're drawing or whatever the case might be, and it need to have a little bit of better lighting, especially if you're doing those type of content. If you're doing content like this where you're taking out your phone and you're just recording, people kind of understand that you don't have a actual setup. You're just recording, and that's okay. But you trying to do all these other things, all I'm saying is that just incorporate one video when it comes to talking about YouTube, okay? So yeah, talk about that video. So that's one thing I noticed with persons. I literally, guys, when I tell you drop your comment down below, because I literally go, and anyone can attest to this, I go and I follow you and I watch a video, I comment on a video, but I'm saying I notice a lot of people not seeing results with it is because they are not consistent with it. They post one video and then they post some other, they go back to posting the regular content. No, I need you to stick to it at least for the month of January. Just stick to it and see what happens, right? One video a day, even if it's 10 minutes, guys. Even if it's 10 minutes. I know some people, you may not have the 20 minutes to talk about something. Just do a 10 minutes. It's fine, okay? The reason why a lot of people say do 20 minutes and more is because we're trying to get watch hours as well. So the longer your video, the more people watch it, the quicker you get your watch hours, okay? The next thing I want to stress on is building your community and finding your people. The more you post, the more people you would show up on people timeline, for you page, whatever, suggestion. I keep thinking TikTok. The more you post, the more YouTube would suggest your videos to others, all right? So if you just post one of these videos, then it's most likely it will get buried in the algorithm. But if you post 10, 20, one of them will reach more people. And that is how I'm seeing, because there's this one girl in particular. She started creating it and she don't have like a ton of followers, but I noticed when I click on her page, she dedicated to creating one video a day, dedicated to posting about YouTube and talking about YouTube. And so far, she almost had 200 followers, which is really good. Because before, she wasn't seeing those kind of followers. She wasn't seeing people following her. Now, as she make those videos, and each and every day, she's been pushing out one video. And all she does is just sit down and literally just talk to the camera about YouTube and how it's changing her life. Let me tell you this. Couple months ago, I asked myself, why are these big creators, meaning like when I say big creators, like actors, for instance, if you watch Tyler Perry movie, right? Crystal, and there's like other people. I'm like, why they coming over to YouTube? You know, like why they coming over to YouTube? Why is just so many of them, like actors? I'm talking actors coming over to YouTube. Why are they coming over to YouTube? And I ask myself, I say, guys, YouTube is a gold mine, and people don't understand that. Like these celebrities, I should say, coming over to YouTube, they already have a following. They already have a following. So when they create a YouTube channel, podcast, whatever the case might be, people already know them. So they're gonna follow them. They already have a community. And that's like extra money there. They already done gained hundreds of thousands of views. That's extra money there. And then don't talk about partnership and like all these different things. That's extra money there. So there's a reason why they're coming over to YouTube. And you have this opportunity just like them. Yes, you're not big like them, of course. None of us are. And we don't know each other. But as we post every single day, I will be able to recognize your face and say, oh, that's my girl, or that's my guy, you know, like something. And then I was like, okay, he posts, let me go and watch his video one time. She posts, let me go and watch her video one time. That is how we're going to build community here, okay? That is how we will be able to support each other. That is how we'll be able to make money on YouTube as well. And this will continue. So all I'm asking you is to continue to post each and every day about YouTube. Yes, you can post your other content. I don't mind you posting other content, but make sure you are posting about YouTube every single day. Just dedicate yourself to posting one video a day. And trust me, it is not that hard to post a video a day, guys. I am telling you, I don't know what you have going on. I have 2 kids. I am a mom. I am a full-time student. Guys, look outside. It's dark outside. I have to go home. When I go home, I have my 2 kids to take care of and see boy to make sure they go down to bed. You don't think I'm tired? You don't think I'm tired? Look, my bag here. Heavy notes. Homework. But yet, I am still keeping the promise I made for myself, which is recording a video every single day. So, however, look, if I had people walking around, I'd still be recording a video, okay? So I'm telling you, stop making excuses. Even if you post that video and you see one view, okay, be grateful for that one view and let that motivate you to post another one, okay? And that is all I'm trying to say. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Stop allowing you feeling sorry for yourself, stopping you from actually achieving your goals, all right? It is very crucial. The next thing I want to talk about is, yeah, that's basically it. I wanted to come on to share with you is that the reason why you're not seeing success is because you're not posting enough times, and if you're posting, you're not posting about YouTube. I want you to post about YouTube, and I want you to post, yes, you can post other content, because I have other pages that you could go and check out. If you click on my profile, you can see my 2 other channel that I literally just started posting back on, guys. I am not kidding. I literally just started back YouTube. I have my family channel that I normally post with my kiddos on, and I just post videos with them, things that we do. And then I have my self-development channel that I really need to tune into and also post about it. I'm going to try to post one video a day on that one. One video a week over there, because I can't do all of that. I can't post every day on all of them. So I'm doing one video a week on them, and I'm doing every day over here. All right, so I can help you guys out and you can get that bag. All right, but you can also go and follow along on the self-development if you want. Specifically, I talk about self-development, and I'm going to be it's more like my self-development channel and podcast as well, where I interview different moms who struggle, and just for them to share the story, because as a mother, you struggle with so many different things, and just building a community, a safe space as well. So that is what that channel about. If you want, you could go ahead and subscribe to that. Supporting everywhere. And guys, if you need more information as to how I gain followers really fast, I'm going to link a video right here. You could go ahead and click on that and watch that video. It will go over how I gain 2,000 followers, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Have a good one.